I'm about to reveal a closely guarded secret that will take your content to the next level. Have you ever found yourself scrolling through YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok, wondering how everyone seems to effortlessly create perfectly dubbed videos with subtitles? It's mind-boggling, right? I mean, we all have busy lives, and time is a precious commodity. Imagine this, you're sitting there trying to juggle work, family, and personal commitments, and then you see these amazing social media reels popping up everywhere. You can't help but wonder, how on earth do they find the time to edit all of those videos? What if I told you there's a game-changing solution that allows you to generate hundreds of reels effortlessly, all perfectly dubbed and with face tracking? Yes, you heard that right. No need to spend hours upon hours editing and perfecting each video. Please smash that like button and please remember to subscribe so I can continue to make videos and reveal more inside tips and tricks. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to source videos that fit your content style. Head over to YouTube or any website with a video link that aligns with your chosen niche. Grab the URL of that video, and here comes the magic. Enter Too Short, the ultimate content creation. You'll find the link to the website in the video description below. Once the video is ready, Too Short will present you with a list of brilliantly generated reel suggestions, each accompanied by a time frame. It's like having your very own virtual content creation team at your disposal. Now here's the best part. You have complete control over your content. Each generated reel comes with the flexibility to edit and add subtitles to your heart's desire. Make every video uniquely yours, adding your personal touch and creative flair. Before you export your masterpiece, ensure that you set the output dimensions to match YouTube Reels. This seamless transition guarantees a visually stunning and professional-looking upload. In YouTube Studio, look for the Create button on the right-hand side and click on it. From the options that appear, select Upload Video. This will prompt you to choose the video file you want to upload. While your video is uploading, you can start adding essential information. Enter a descriptive and eye-catching title for your video. Make sure the title reflects the content of your short and engages your audience. Use the video description box to provide more context about your short. You can either choose one of the auto-generated thumbnails or upload a custom thumbnail that represents your video's content effectively. Add tags and select a category. Tags help YouTube understand the content of your video better, so be sure to include relevant keywords related to your niche. And there you have it, your video is uploaded and on the road to becoming viral. Thank you all for joining me on this exhilarating journey of content creation. I hope this guide has opened up a world of possibilities for your Shorts channel. Remember, the sky's the limit when it comes to creativity. So hit that subscribe button, stay tuned for more exclusive creator secrets, and let's conquer the world of short videos together.